Apple is going to invest another $45 million into Gorilla Glass maker Corning. I didn't even actually know that they were heavily invested here, but they're even more invested now. Of course, on a recent model, they had worked together on that ceramic shield, which they claimed, the iPhone 12, you can drop it. Well, no, don't drop it. But like if you do drop it, you got a better chance with ceramic shield. That's on there. So they worked together on that. And then obviously you have the rumors of a potential bendable iPhone, but bendable stuff has been real difficult to figure out glass-wise. So you've had these really like mucky feeling screens. If you jab it with your fingernail accidentally,
it leaves an indent.
It might. I was okay with mine. All the ones I use daily or whatever, I lived my life. You know.
You had the Fold. Did you use the Flip?
Never used the Flip. Not as a daily driver, but all the Folds. Anyway, so maybe you get one of these hybrids, right? Some plastic, some glass. Mm-hmm. Corning puts it together. Feels more like glass, bends more like plastic. How you like the sound of that, Mo?
Best of both worlds.
How you like that, Mo? You ready to host SNL or what? Corning provides glass for a variety of Apple products, iPhone, iPad, and the Apple Watch. And their relationship goes back to the original iPhone, actually. But, of course, as you know, they make glass for other brands as well, including Samsung and others. Anywhere you see that Gorilla Glass stuff. So, a wildly successful company. And maybe they could use this $45 million to go back in the lab and develop that next hot product. What do you say, Will?
I guess it's just for iPhones or Apple products, right?
Well, I don't know. They can work it the way Samsung works displays.
Oh, right.
They could be like...
Cut a deal.
Well, they could be like, iPhone 12's got a ceramic shield. They could be like, hey, Samsung, on that next model, not the same time as us. No. You wait a little bit, but then you want to buy that ceramic shield for your next model? You know, you can brag about it. You know, you can put together a commercial series about it. You want to buy that one too? See how that goes? Mm-hmm. Everybody shakes hands. Mm-hmm. Money is transferred between accounts. Doge moves to space.
Yep.
Yeah, we'll see what they're able to do with it, if they keep those developments for themselves or end up selling them. But this will expand Corning's manufacturing capacity in the U.S. and drive research and development into innovative new technologies. Manufacturing capacity in the U.S. is worth mentioning.